Hello, in this video I will show you how you can find missing contacts on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the Contacts app, and from here, if your contacts are missing, like now, as you can see, there is no results for my contacts. So if you have something like this, or you have no all contacts showing over here, you have to make sure that you have disabled filters by clicking on this icon over here, and now disable all filters that you have enabled over here. As you can see, I have enabled email contacts filter, so I have to unselect this, and now as you can see, I have my contacts back. But also there is some important thing. Click on this icon over here on this list, and now make sure that you have selected all contacts over here. So basically you have to select all contacts in this section and also unselect every filter from this section, and now after that you will be able to find all of your contacts on your Google Pixel 10, all contacts and no filter over here. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.